everyone, welcome back to our channel Web2Tech. In today's video, I will guide you on how to add friends to private server in Roblox. So first of all, to get started, log into your Roblox account. Once you log in, your home page is going to look like this. Now you want to search for the game that you have private server for. So go to the search bar and type in the name of game. In my case, the game is Adopt Me. So here's the game that I have private server for. Now click on it. Once you do that, you will come to this interface. Now scroll down and you will find this section called servers. Click on it. Now under servers, you will find this section called private servers, and in this box here, you can see the server that you have created. Now go to the right side of this box and click on those three dots. Then click on configure. And you will be taken to this page here where you can change all sort of settings for your private server. The first thing here, you have to make sure that allow joining option is enabled. Next, you have to make sure that friends allowed option is enabled as well. Or you could disable this button and specify the certain members whom you want to have access to this server. The other setting here is private server link, from where you can generate a link for your friends to join your server. So what you need to do is to click on this generate button on the right side, and this will generate a link in this box here. Now you can copy this link by clicking on this copy icon on the left side and then send it to your friends so that they can click on this link and join your private server directly. And that's it. This is how you can add your friends to your private server in Roblox. I hope you guys like this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And I will be back with another such video soon. Thank you for watching.